Are you confused about what you need to pay and when for your taxes? This short video from Apari is going to help you. So you're a business or a landlord, and every year you earn some money. You've actually been running for a couple of years already, so we're going to look at your third year of activity. In the UK, the tax year runs from the 6th of April to the 5th of April. And your tax bill for year 3 is finalised when you submit your tax return for year 3. The deadline for that tax return is the 31st of January. That's actually during tax year 4. Now, as you'd expect, HMRC don't want to wait for your tax return to get your money. So they predict what you're likely to owe for year 3. And they do that using your tax bill for year 2. Now, half of that money has to be paid by the January of tax year 3. That's known as payment on account 1. And the other half is due by the following July, which is actually during tax year 4. And that's known as payment on account 2. Now, you get your final tax bill for year 3 when you file your tax return. And most people do that after the July. But you've already paid those estimates, so now you just need to pay the difference between what's already been paid and the actual final bill. That's known as a balancing payment. And the deadline for that is the same as the deadline for the tax return, 31st of January. If you file any earlier, you don't need to pay any earlier. And so that's it. Simple as that. Your filing and payment sorted for 1 year of self-assessment. There are a couple of other things to mention. When you make your first payment on account for year 3, you also pay the balance for year 2. And when you pay your balance for year 3, you also make your first payment on account for year 4. And so that cycle continues forever. Now remember, if your profits are going to be very different to last year, it's really easy to ask HMRC to change those payments on account. Thanks for listening.